Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing good, and I don't know if you can hear the little purring sounds, but I have a guest today, and as you tell by the title, we're doing my first half of 2017 flip through in my happy planner, and we'll do a second half just because they can get pretty long. So, but first, I want you guys to say hi to Korra. It's been a while. Come here, Korra. Come on. Just sitting on the back of my chair. Here she is. So this is Korra. I just wanted to show you guys what she had done when I was talking about her plucking her little leg. So she did that. As you can see right there's a new feather coming in. And this is what a kite does when they're excited. They kind of purr. She's been in Sissy's room playing with toys and ribbon, and she's in a good mood tonight, huh? Yeah. She doesn't talk. She's almost 3 years old. She'll be 3 in March. And she is what you call a black-headed kike. There's also a kike that is called a white belly, and they have a completely orange head or a speckled orange head. She is very tame. We raised her from a baby. She had no feathers when we got her, and we had to hand feed her. So she's a very good girl. Huh, Korra? She's a very good girl. Yeah. They like to have fluffy cheeks. And she is like a toddler and everything goes in her mouth, huh? So, but I wanted you guys to be able to see her prettiness, and you can see how big she is compared to a happy planner. So there's a little fluffed up. When a bird fluffs like this, they're really comfortable. If their feathers slick completely back, then they're on alert. If you're new to birds, if you're scared of birds, I completely understand. There's lots of people that are. Let's show them your wings. Come on, wings. Good girl. Yay. She's like, Mom, I don't want to. So Korra will lay on her back and roll over. And these guys are just little clowns. So, but I want you guys to see her and see that she was doing okay, because I mentioned her a couple weeks ago in a video. So she's doing good. I love this little, it's a little feather monster that eats everything, huh? Yeah. So, alright guys, on to the flip through. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Korra, because it has been a long time since she's been on the channel. So, as you guys know, I use, or if you don't know, if you're new, hi, welcome. If you've been following me for a while, you'll recognize these as the Dollar Tree headbands, and I use them to keep my planners together, on all my planners. This is a happy planner. It is a classic. It was the 2017 seasonal, and it has the standard rings. I never increased the disc size on this planner. So as we start out here, you can see I flipped my covers because this black got scratched up, and you could see how scratched up it is right in there, and it did not remain very pretty at all. So we will start out with my January notes and divider. It was decorated with these pretty little snowflake stickers and some penguins and polar bears. And then here is the monthly for January of last year. There's a mix of a few different things. There's some stickerifics, some happy planner stickers. There are, I see one watercolor bloom sticker here. So I really liked how this came out. This was the week of New Year, so that's in my old 2015 Erin Condren, so I didn't see the point of doing that. This is the New Year kit that was done by Watercolor Blooms when I used to PR for her, and it was also our birthday week. This was a kit from Brianna Nicole Designs. This was actually formatted for the Happy Planner. This is a Happy Planner formatted Watercolor Blooms kit. Oh no, this was still Erin Condren. This was before she had done Happy Planner kits. And she does these really beautiful, she has this beautiful premium matte paper and everything like that. And you can find her as Watercolor Blooms. You can find her on Instagram. You can find her under the Plan With Me for this video. All that good stuff. And this kit was from ANC Stickers, who, as far as I know, is not open anymore. She's Luminosity Prints. Then we move into February, and this is my dashboard. I had one a February kit from 29 Sticker Co., and then I also bought one and had already planned from Sticker Bloom. So I combined the two to make everything kind of work. This kit is from Sticker Guru, and their kits are matte and really beautifully printed, and definitely check them out. Another kit from Brianna Nicole Designs. This was actually a personal size kit that I used in my Happy Planner. This was from Aylin's Creations, and the deco stickers are from Watercolor Blooms. This kit was It's a Love Story, and this was from Watercolor Blooms. And then here is my March notes, and these stickers here were from Watercolor Blooms. And then this monthly spread was from Temp Loves Crafts. This spread was mostly Aylin's Creations. And then these little like sidebar things are from IQ360, and Miss Anna from ALoves22 sent those to me when I want to give away. This is from Strawberry Lime Designs. I love this kit. I love the colors of this kit. I love this kit. It's a bunch of napping little animals. I don't know why, but I just really love the kit. And then for St. Patrick's Day week, I used a foiled kit. So you can see that foil from Watercolor Blooms. And then I made a paper clip out of one of the stickers, and I show you that in the video. And still to this day, it's just washied on there. Alrighty, and then this is my son's birthday, and this was from Sugary Gal Shop, I think. It's the only time I've ever ordered from her. I wasn't super impressed. I wanted this clip art, but I don't know, I wasn't super impressed. We'll just leave it at that. And then we have the Happy Planner formatted kit from Watercolor Blooms, and I had taken half of this week off to clean up around the house. It was, do stuff for our anniversary and things like that. Oh, not really our anniversary. It's the anniversary of me moving to Washington and Valentine's Day. Not like our wedding anniversary. That's in September. Alrighty, and then we move into April. Here are some stickers over here on the notes page, and they're from a mix of different shops. I've got, there's some Match at 320 Designs, Mila Print Shop. I think that's it. I think that's all this was. And the big thing we did this month was I bought Moana because I loved it. This kit was from Temp Loves Crafts. This kit was a glossy kit, and this was from Amber's Design Studio. She's now a printable shop. I fractured my left foot on the 7th. And then spring break week. Oh, Easter was this day. This kit was foiled with green and gold foil from Watercolor Blooms, and it was formatted for the Happy Planner. This is her hummingbird kit with holographic foil. Beautiful. I think this was this Mother's Day week or no? No. Alright, now this spread coming up here was not one that was filmed on my channel. I've never shown it anywhere, not even on Instagram, but I used no kit. There were some stickers, like these glitter things were stickers from various places. These were stickers from various places, but as you can see, it was very much Happy Planner, and this is all of this and this are from Michael's paper pad. I don't remember which one. But yeah, so that's how that all came out, and I don't know. It took me a long time to do. It took me the entire week to complete this spread. So, I don't know. Wasn't super happy with it. Really simple on the notes page for May. And then the May kit is from amandakcrafts. Oops. Sorry. This was from Plan with Pizzazz. It's a very pretty kit. This was from Watercolor Blooms and more foil. I just don't, I don't know, guys. It's just really, and you can see I started really using my extra little sidebars, all of that stuff. Just beautiful kits. Was this Mother's Day? This was Mother's Day, okay. And then this was from Print 6. Very much enjoyed that one. See, grocery list? Nope. Haha. I have a sense of humor in my planner. No, I'm joking. This was from ANC Stickers. Really, really pretty. I really like these font stickers. I think I ordered more of them because I just really like them. They were from amandakcrafts. This would be Luminosity Print since she's no longer open. And then the last month we're going to cover in this video is June. So here is my summer, homage to summer, I guess, starting up. And then this is the June monthly from Watercolor Blooms, formatted for the Happy Planner. Now, guys, I bought a ton of stuff when I was PRing for her, so it's not just, it wasn't just me PRing. I actually purchased a lot of things. And I still love her stickers, I just haven't bought anything lately, like at all. This kit was called She Blooms from Watercolor Blooms, and I do believe, I bought this one too. I think it was on like a Kit of the Week deal. This was from, what's the name of that shop? I still have stickers from her. Formless Designs. It was like feathers. This was the Plan With Me Design Group Big Collab kit. And this was the paper clip that I made to go with this kit. And these stickers were from, what is the name of her shop? Peekaboo Planning. And then this was the kit that I got to use for Father's Day week, but because we did the collab, I had to use it the next week because my dad is a scuba diver. So it was really pretty, and this was from Watercolor Blooms. And then this was a mermaid kit from Brianna Nicole Designs. I love her shop. She has Erin Condren Happy Planner personals. She has all kinds of stuff. We went camping this day. Camping trip. And that brings us to July. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next video. Much love to all of you, and bye.